How to add video language on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add video language on TikTok mobile. First thing, go to TikTok. Here you will find profile, click on it and then click the storylines here. Now click settings and privacy. Scroll down until you find this one, content preferences. Click on it and then click video languages, and here you will find it. Here you will find this one, add languages, and just select here any language you want and click done. And as you see, the language have been added, and now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.